Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Sezzle to Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open a new tab and type how to add Sezzle to Shopify and hit enter, and open this first link, and here you will get Sezzle payment app download link. So click on Sezzle payments, and now you have to click on add app and click on install app. To complete Sezzle app installation, here you have to enter your Sezzle account public key and private key. So enter here your key and click on link Sezzle account, and here you can see my account has been linked. After that process is complete, navigate to a product page to confirm that Sezzle widgets have been added. So here, as you can see, I have successfully added Sezzle to my Shopify. So this is how we can add Sezzle to Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.